course, to address the issues of regional interference and the loss of state sovereignty that exists to extent. All of this can be handled, and all of this I think the international community is ready to support, including the kingdom. But we need a stronger signal from, I think, the Lebanese body politic that they are going to step up. Is rapprochement achievable? Certainly it is. I mean, some months ago, our Crown Prince in a television interview stated quite clearly that the kingdom is interested in a positive relationship with Iran, including a relationship that delivers benefits for both of us, economic and otherwise. So we are not just interested in some political détente, but we are interested in a relationship. But that does require substantive progress on the issues that concern us and our neighbors. It's not just the kingdom that is concerned about some of the Iranian behavior in the region. If we see substantive progress on those files, then of course, yes, rapprochement is possible. So far, we have not seen that, but we continue to hope to do so. We will be engaged in an effort to achieve that.